So this is my current WordPress admin login page, and now I will show you how to add a background image for WordPress login. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here login press, and all you have to need install and activate this login press plugin. This is a free plugin. Once the plugin activated, in this left hand menu, here you will find the login press option. Hover over on login press and click on customizer, and you directly jump into the WordPress admin login customization page. Here we can see my login page, and after installing the plugin we can see already added a background image. Now to change this background image, just click on this background, and here first of all make sure to enable background image option. And now from this plugin gallery you can go ahead and select a different background photos, and to upload your own background photo just click on select image and go ahead and upload your image from your computer. In my case I'm going to selecting this one for example. Once you add it, you can change background repeat. From here you can change your background image position and your background image size. Go back from here, and through the app here you will find more options to customize your admin login page. Once done, just click on publish, and now close these settings and let's log out of our account. And here we can see I've successfully added a background image in my WordPress login page. Thanks for watching.